Like a Hellcat.
Hey, what's up guys, Nathan T over here, back in another video, and in today's video, I bring you episode 12. But I have a quick announcement before today's video. So, if you guys may know yesterday, I might have missed a turn, and I have not went there since I ran out of breath and died, and then I basically ended the video there. But I am re-equipped with 2 water breathing potions and 1 night vision, because you need to breathe before, you need to breathe more than you need to see, so, well, I guess, but I guess you could still see, but it wouldn't be as clear without the night vision, so, yeah. So it got 60 minutes of water breathing and 8 minutes of night vision. So the real announcement is, yesterday was Black Friday. So, in Minecraft, it's Black Friday. Things will be 75% off, which just want to tell you guys about, because you don't want to miss this. It's awesome. So, you will want to get stuff. So, you will want to get stuff before this discount passes. I don't know when it will, but it will. Just gotta say that, so. And also, version Minecraft, 1.13.1 is here if you didn't update. Just an update for that as well. So I think I've covered everything basically, and also, if you have a custom skin, I will show you. If you have a custom skin, you can have capes now. Well, or basically any other equipment. But that was just the announcement. Also, by the way, most of the announcements will probably be in creative. No specific reason, but I just like doing that for announcements. So it's time to get in the video, so let's do it. Okay, so, right. I also don't have any healing, so I'm gonna need to eat my bread whenever I can. So let's drink water. Water breathing. Oh, night vision first. And water. Breathing. Why did it just use them? Alright, let's go. Got my trident in hand. Let me know if I miss anything in the comments down below. Oh no, don't go above the water. Oh, was it here? I think this is another turn I missed. Well, no, actually, I have 16 minutes and 10 seconds because I have this turtle helmet on. I'm probably going to add an arrow. But, all I can say is just look at the top left corner of the screen, and you'll see that I have a turtle helmet on. So that'll give me an extra 10 seconds if I need it, which I might. And these guys want to fight. I might collect some of this with my almost broken pickaxe. What is this stuff? Oh, man. I was hoping I'd get some of that. Probably need, what's that? What's it called? Silk touch? Something like that. Go away, stupid zombie. And I don't have any golden apples or potions. Well, potions to help you. Die. You can't swim. Oh yeah, I forgot. These guys drop money. Right. I pretty much have a money farm. So this, I think, is the other way I didn't go. And there's a creeper right there. Hold on, I already went to this. Come on, why do I swim so slow? 5 minutes. Maybe this way will be new. Wow, what is this place? I might have to build another dome here so I can study it. Wow! Look at the depth. Look at the depth of, the depth of this ocean. Look how big it is! I can swim around really far. This is really amazing. Ooh, it's a sea cave. Too bad I didn't repair my pickaxe. I might have another one. Do I? No, I do not. Let's see what I can find. Oh, no. Almost got dragged in. So this is a pretty cool sea cave. I will possibly be back to explore. The sea cave is pretty cool. I might use it for something once I get all the ore. Well, all the ore that I see. So, where do I want to go now? Ooh, what? Why do you have a fishing rod? You're underwater already. Go away. I will swim away, guys. Okay. Oh, no. I didn't mean to do that. I just better run. No copyright. If that is copyrighted. So, no. No. Oh, wait, I could use some more money. But that dolphin is gaining. And I'm not going fast enough. It's gonna get me, isn't it? Oh, no, run. I don't want to attack. It's chasing me. Still following it. Yep, still following it. Go away. I didn't even mean to hit you. Okay, please do not dislike the video for that. I did not actually mean to do that. And I think I'm lost. Why are you charging into me? Okay, sorry about that, guys. I'm back. So, I think we've lost the dolphin, and I also had to drink my other water-breathing potion. I ran out of night vision, and now I have to find my way back. So this is basically like I went exploring some more, so I can get a better understanding. What would I call this video? I guess you'll find out when I post it. Come on! I know it can't be that hard to find my home. I really need to have, like, directions. I guess this is my direction. Also, by the way, guys, if I didn't mention rules before, because, you see this, and it's above water, and there's torches and stuff. Ice isn't really considered, like, land, right? So, it's solid, but it's not exactly land. Hopefully you know what I mean. So, he was allowed to go up there, and I would be able to as well, except I don't want to do that right now because I'm trying to find my way home. And oh, hold on. Come on, how am I this lost? Let's see if I can find my way home. Which way did I just go? Another cave? Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Where is the base? Where am I? What biome is this? What was that? I didn't even attack you! Why are they doing this to me? I'm only trying to find my way home. Why is the water changing green? Hold on. Nope, it's turning blue again. I'm probably gonna drown before I find home. What is this? I forgot what this is called. Come on! Is it? Correct me if I'm wrong, but is this like kelp or something? I think it is. Where is... I don't understand. I'm literally running low on air. I'm probably not gonna find it. Come on. Come on. Go, why can't you swim any faster? I really need some more accessories on my character. That would make me look cooler. Or should I say more cool? I thought I knew the way back home. But I don't think I know. Only one way to find out. Come on, swim as fast as you can. He's got a trident. Gotta swim as fast as I can. Gotta swim. Go, 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 go. Where am I? I don't get it. Where do I go? I am really lost right now. I don't understand. Like, where is the base? I'm probably gonna be lost. quite a while now. I don't know what to do. Maybe I have a map? Treasure map. Treasure map, but no original map. It's around here somewhere, I think. "43 seconds? Come on, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Come on, come on, come on. Am I back or not? Whoa, just in a matter of time.